Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix MSI laptop touchpad not working. First, check your touchpad settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices and click on Touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is enabled and all the necessary options are turned on. If the touchpad is already enabled but still not working, the next step is to reinstall the touchpad driver. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Now expand Mice and other pointing devices. Find your touchpad driver, right-click it and select Uninstall Device. After the uninstall process is complete, restart your laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the required driver during startup. Next, check for a BIOS update. Visit the MSI support website, search for your laptop model and download the latest BIOS version if an update is available. Carefully follow MSI instructions when updating the BIOS, as this process should not be interrupted. After that, perform an EC reset. Shut down the laptop completely and disconnect the AC adapter. Now press and hold the power button for about 25 seconds. This resets the embedded controller, which can sometimes resolve touchpad and hardware-related issues. Then reconnect the power adapter and turn the laptop back on. Next, run Windows Update. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Update settings. Click Check for updates and install any available updates, including optional driver updates. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer. If the touchpad was working previously and suddenly stopped working after a recent change, you can try performing a system restore. Search for Create a Restore Point from the Start menu and open it. Then click System Restore and choose a restore point from a date when the touchpad was functioning correctly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restore process. After the system restarts, test the touchpad again. If the touchpad still does not work after trying all of these steps, the issue may be hardware related and you may need to contact MSI support or a qualified technician for further assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in number